Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how you can buy stocks for investing. Okay, so what I advise is if you want to buy a stock for a long term, it is preferably you buy Nifty 50 stocks, which is actually blue chip company stocks. Okay, it's also a large cap stocks. Okay, because if you buy large cap stocks, in case if market crashes, okay, in case if there is any crash in the market for let's say 10% or 20% crash, the blue chip companies, these large cap companies will not be affected that much. Okay, see, there will be a change. Okay, there will be a drastic fall. Okay, but it will not fall as much as the small cap or the mid cap companies fall. Okay, so I always buy Nifty 50 stocks, which is large cap. Okay, all the blue chip companies. See, if I say blue chip companies, you might have already know all these companies like Reliance. Here I have added Reliance, HDFC, ICICI Bank, SBI, Infosys, TCS, Hero Motocorp. All these companies come under large cap. Okay, all these companies are blue chip companies. So now I'll show you how you can find those companies, how you can find this Nifty 50 companies, and how you can directly go and invest in it. Okay, so see, this is I'm using Zerodha as a broker. I also have accounts with other brokers as a backup, but my most of the transactions happens in Zerodha broker. Okay, Zerodha broking terminal. I also have accounts with other brokers as a backup. See, I'm a trader. Okay, I do more trading than investing. I don't invest that much. Okay, so I do more trading. So for trading, I think Zerodha is better when compared with other brokers because of their user friendly terminal. Okay, so for investing also, if you can use Zerodha, it will be easy. And it is for investing. If you hold a stock for a long term, there is no brokerage. They will not charge any brokerage for stocks buying or stocks selling. Okay, but you have to know that in case if you buy and sell a stock in a single day, which is like an intraday, if you buy today morning by around 9:50, 9:30, or and if you sell it before 3:15, then it is considered as an intraday. Okay, and you will be charged brokerage and all other taxes on that. But if you are holding it for the next day or next 2 days, 3 days, and you are taking it a delivery, okay, then there is no brokerage applied on any of those transactions. Okay, now I'll show you how you can add this companies here in your watch list. Okay, and also I'll show you how you can find out the Nifty 50 companies. See, finding out Nifty 50 companies is very easy. Okay, and it is very simple. See, here if you just type NSC, okay, Nifty 50 companies, you will get a list. Okay, see, these are the companies, which is 50 companies of Nifty. Okay, and these companies are the blue chip companies. And if you invest in any of those companies, the market fall, in case if market falls for 10%, 20% or more than that, there won't be much impact. Okay, as I said, the stocks will fall. Okay, there will be a drastic fall, and your portfolio, it will reflect in your portfolio as well. But when compared to other mid cap or small cap companies, this will not fall that much. It will not give you a sudden panic kind of thing. Okay, but please remember, like, if you are buying a stock for a long term, you have to hold it whatever happens. Okay, long term in the sense, if you are buying it for 5 years or minimum 3 years, okay, you have to hold it whatever happens. Okay, that's because, see, this is market. Okay, anything can happen. The market, it will not go straight. Okay, it will go like a zigzag. Okay, so it will not go straight, it will go in a zigzag way. It will come down, it will go up, and it will fall 3%, it will rise 4%. There are a lot of chances in this. See, this is the chart of Nifty 50. Okay, I'll show you. If you see, the market has been showing all these ups and downs. Okay, there's a zigzag move. It's going down, it's going up, again it is coming down here, and again it has gone up, again it has come down. See, this is how the market works. In 2020, due to this COVID pandemic, this lockdown, there was a fall. Okay, the market fell from 12,400 to 7,500. Okay, so this is how the market works. So people who buy here can book a profit, but nobody knows when the market will bottom out, when it will rise. Okay, so I have another plan for that. In case if you buy a stock, okay, and immediately starts falling, what you have to do, I have a solution for that. I'll tell you about that in upcoming videos, but here I'll just show you how you can easily buy stocks from any of the brokers. Okay, now I am using Zerodha. I'll show you how you can add these brokers in your watch list. Here, in case if you wanted to buy Reliance, just type Reliance, okay, and you will get two listed out here. Select Reliance, NSE and BSE. You can see NSE here in red and BSE in blue. Just select which is NSE. Click on this plus button. You will get a plus button. Click on it. So once you click there, it will come down here. Okay, and if you wanted to buy, click on buy option. Okay, and when you are buying, just see whether it is in intraday or long term. Select long term. Okay, because if it is in intraday, you will have to square off your position within 3:30. Okay, within end of the day. So you select long term, which is CNC, which is also called as CNC, cash and carry, and select your quantity. In case if you wanted to buy, let's say 10 stocks of Reliance, put 10 here, and you can see what is the margin required to buy these 10 stocks of Reliance. Here you can see the margin required is 23,779. Okay, but if I select intraday, you can see the margin will change. It will be reduced to 4,755, which is like you are getting 5 times leverage. Okay, because you are buying and selling it on the same day, you are not carrying it for the next day or something, so that the broker is giving you a leverage of 5 times. Okay, but leverage will not be given if you are buying it on a long term, on a CNC. Okay, because long term you have to pay the entire amount, and this 10 stocks will come to your demat account within 2 days. Okay, trading plus 1 day. Okay, within 2 days it will come to your demat account. Okay, so here you can see I've selected. Okay, here you select regular, and it should be in blue. If it is in blue, which means it is buy signal. If it is in red, which means it is sell. So always it should be in blue. In case if it is in red, by mistake if you have selected sell, it will be in red. That I'll show you that also. If you have selected sell, it will be in red. Just toggle here to blue. Okay, and select regular. Select long term, not intraday. We are buying it for the long term, and put your quantity 10 or 100, how much ever you want. Okay, and very important thing is market and limit column here. See, market and limit. What is market and limit? If you wanted to buy this Reliance share at the market price, whatever the price currently which is trading in the market, you have to select market. Here you can see the current price here is 2,377. Here you can see 2,377.90. If you select market here, the moment you click on this buy button, if the price is 2377.90 or 2377.95 or whatever it is, whatever the price currently trading in the market, it will immediately buy. Okay, but if you wanted to buy it for the lower price, you select limit. Okay, and put 2375. Now it is trading at 2377.90, but I wanted to buy when the stocks falls for 2375. So you select limit and change the price to 2375. Okay, this SL and SLM, you don't have to worry about this. This is for those who are doing intraday trading. Okay, so you don't worry about this. Don't click on any of this ticks. Don't tick any of the stop loss, target, anything. Okay, just see the margin required. So to buy 100 quantity of Reliance at the price of 2,375, the margin required in your account is 2,37,500 rupees. So if you have 2,37,500 in your account, your transaction will be processed. Okay, the moment you buy this, okay, the moment you press on this buy button, now the market is closed, it's giving an error. Okay, the moment you press this buy button, it will come under this order here. Okay, you don't there's a lot of transactions here, just ignore it. I also bought some I've also bought some stocks today due to the fall in market. I've taken this opportunity to buy some stocks, and you can see I bought Infosys, Hero Motocorp, Nifty Biz, Bank Biz, BEPL, and that's it. This is trading. Okay, now here the status is showing as completed. Okay, in case if it is you just clicked but it did not executed, then it will show the status as pending. Okay, or if you have cancelled it, it will show as cancelled. Okay, but in long term stock buying, it will show either complete or pending. If it shows complete, that means your transaction is executed. Okay, once that is executed, it will show under the position tab like this. Okay, so here let's see, I have bought Infosys, Hero Motocorp. Okay, Infosys and Hero Motocorp, here it's showing as holding. Okay, which means CNC and holding, which means I'm holding it for the long term. So I bought 10 quantity. I already have some 40-50, and Infosys also I have already got some quantities. I'm just adding it, averaging it. Okay, so I bought Hero Motocorp 10 quantity at 2,680 rupees. The current price is 2,706 rupees, and I'm getting a profit of 262 rupees as of today's ending time of market. So 262 rupees is the profit it is showing. Okay, I cannot book it now. If I wanted to book it, I would have squared it off by around 330. I will get this 262 as a profit. And if you look at Infosys CNC 10 quantity, I bought at 1,743. Now the current price is 1,736. I am into loss of 65 rupees. Okay, this is what you have to see. Okay, the moment it is executed, it will show under your position tab. Click on this position tab, it will show here. And after this, the next day when the market opens, the next trading day I'm talking about, the next trading day when the market opens, you have to click on this holding tab. It will not show under position. It will show as 0, nothing. It will be blank. You have to click on this holdings, okay, holdings tab. Here you can see what all the transactions, what all the stocks you have already bought. I bought Hero Motocorp and Infosys. Okay, not today. I bought it yesterday, day before yesterday. Last week I bought this Hero Motocorp at 2,711 rupees, and that is already there in my Demat account. Okay, so it is showing as 40 quantity. But if you look at Infosys, it is showing as 0, but it is showing T1 20. Okay, this is 10 stocks. I bought it today, but this 20 stocks I bought it on Friday, I think. Okay, Friday. So what it is saying is you bought 20 stocks, but it is showing T1 is to 20, which means 20 stocks is pending. Trading plus 1. T1 means trading plus one day. Okay, so trading day plus 1 day. So today is the trading day. Okay, plus 1 day. I'll be getting it tomorrow. Okay, so I bought it on Friday. So trading day is today. Next 1 day. 1 day is Tuesday. I'll get it on Tuesday. Tuesday this will not be there. It will be 20. It will be 20 here. Okay. Then whatever the positions I bought today, that will be added here under holdings, and it will show T1, T plus 1, whatever the quantity. Okay, whatever the quantity, it will be showing under T plus 1. And now once this T1 or T plus 1, whatever once it is gone, then you would see that the stocks are credited in your Demat account. Okay, here you can see the cost. What is the cost you have bought for? What is the LTP? Okay, at what price? What is the current price is, and what is the current value? How much you have invested, and what is the P&L? Whether it's a profit or loss, and what is the net change, and how much it has changed today. And here at the bottom you can see total investment, how much you have invested, what is the current value, and what is today's profit and loss. and what is the total profit and loss. Okay, so this is how you can buy and track your stocks. This you can keep it in your demat account, how much ever longer period you wanted to, either 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, you can keep it in your demat account. Okay, so Reliance, same, if you wanted to add HDFC, okay, type HDFC, you will get HDFC and HDFC Bank also. If you want to buy only HDFC, click HDFC, same procedure, buy and follow the same procedure. And if you wanted to buy HDFC Bank, type HDFC Bank and click on this plus button so that it will be added here. But when you are adding a stock, try to add NSE, because NSE has got a lot of volumes when compared to BSE market. Okay, there are two different markets, NSE and BSE, but when you select BSE, the volume will be low. You can buy it with BSE and sell it in NSE also, not an issue, but the volume will be very low. Okay, so select NSE. I'll show you NSE and BSE, what is the change. Okay, let me check if it is available in BSE. See, in HDFC Bank, in NSE, it is trading at 1486 rupees 65 paise, but in HDFC Bank in BSE, it is trading at 1487 rupees 45 paise, which is around 85 paise, 1 rupee difference. Okay, this is how the difference will be. But you can buy and sell in both of the markets. By mistake, if you have bought in BSE, don't worry. You might have paid some extra 50 paise or something on each stock, but you can sell it in NSE. Not an issue. It is not mandatory that you have to buy in NSE, and if you have bought in NSE, you have to sell it in NSE itself. There's nothing like that. You can buy and sell in both the markets. Don't worry about that. Okay. So this is how you can buy stocks in Zerodha terminal for a long term. Okay. Yeah. So we will see next video how we can average the stocks which you have bought. Okay, the next video I'll explain what in case the stocks which you have bought has already started falling. Okay, I'll tell you how you can average it. Okay, thank you so much.